morning to my sweet and lovely students of class 5th. Welcome to science class. Here I am with my new video, that is part 4 video of chapter number 15 of your EVS book titled Blow Hot, Blow Cold. I hope my dear students all had watched my previous videos of chapter number 15, that is part 1, part 2 and part 3 video, and also have completed all the assignments. In today's video, I am going to explain you short question answers and long question answers of this chapter. So let's begin. Before starting your work, write the date, that is 10th November 2020, number of the chapter, that is 15, and the topic, that is blow hot, blow cold. Now question number 6, answer in brief. Brief means short question answers. Question number 1, why was the woodcutter amazed, means surprised, to see Mia Ballistia? The woodcutter was amazed to see Mia Ballistia. Why? You know the story, my dear children, because he was a very tiny person, means his height was short. So the woodcutter was surprised to see him. Question number 2. How does your breath help to warm your cold hand in winters? In winters, our hands become numb. So in winters, our hands become colder than our breath. So we can blow hard on our hands to warm it up. So when it becomes numb, we can blow hard. As you know, our breath is warmer than the hands, especially in the winter season. Question number 3. How does your breath help to cool a cup of hot coffee? Our breath is cooler than a cup of hot coffee, as we have a cup of hot coffee which has a much higher temperature than our breath. So we can blow air to cool down the coffee, that is hot things. We can blow on hot things to cool them. Why do people blow air on their spectacles before cleaning them? Our breath contains moisture which condenses into tiny droplets when it comes contact of cold surface of spectacles. Maybe you have seen when you blow on the spectacles, the air blown from the mouth contains moisture, that is tiny droplets of water. These water droplets help in cleaning the glass of your spectacles. So it is helpful to clean your spectacles. Question number 5. For what purpose doctors use stethoscope? You have seen that why the doctor uses it. Doctors use stethoscope to listen the heartbeat. A stethoscope is a medical equipment that is used by the doctor to listen to the internal sounds of human body. Not only human body, even for the animal's body also. Question number 6. Name any 4 musical instruments which produce melodious, that is sweet sounds when we blow into them. So these are the musical instruments which produces sweet sounds. Number 1. Flute, shehnai, mouth organ, bagpipes. In the exam you can write of your own also, but now you will write what I have written. Now question number 7, answer in detail, means long question answers. How do you cool some food when it is too hot? So these ways we are using to cool the hot food when it is hot. When a food is too hot, we cool it in the following ways. Number 1, blowing air with mouth. It depends on the quantity of the food. If the food is less, we can blow air with mouth. pouring it in a broader vessel. Vessel means container. So we pour the food when it is much in quantity, we can pour in the broader container to cool it, leaving it under the fan for some time. So we can leave the food to make it cool. So these are the ways, depend on the quantity of the food, how to cool it. Question number 2. Why the air blown from our mouth cools the thing in summer and warm in winters? So the air blown from our mouth is always at our normal body temperature. So what is our normal body temperature? That is 98.7 degrees Celsius. This is the main point you have to remember. So when we blow at some colder thing in winter, its temperature rises, and if we blow at hotter thing, its temperature falls. So this is the reason when we blow air from our mouth, cools the things in summer and warms the things in winter. This is the last question for answer in detail, that is long question answers. Have you seen someone blowing on their spectacles to wipe them clean? How does the air from the mouth help in cleaning the spectacles? This type of question we have done in short, but now we will do in detail. Yes, I have seen my dash means you will write yourself whom you have seen, your mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, blowing on dash spectacles. If it is a masculine gender, so you will write his, and if it will be feminine gender, you will write her spectacles to wipe them clean. The air blown from the mouth is hotter than the glass of the spectacles. The air blown from the mouth also contains moisture, that is tiny drops of water. When the moisture touches the colder glass surface, it turns into fine water droplets. These water droplets help in cleaning the glass. So the air blown from the mouth helps in cleaning the spectacles. Today we have finished chapter number 15. And please, my dear students, complete all the assignments, that is match the following, fill in the blanks, true or false, tick the correct option, short question answers, that is answer in brief, long question answers, that is answers in detail, diagrams, that is draw any two musical instruments, and respiratory system. Please label it very properly as it is given. Same, you have to draw and label it. So my dear children, to understand the concept of the chapter, please watch attentively part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4 video and complete all the assignments neatly in your science notebooks. We will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye. God bless you all. Thank you.